our UPLIFT desk. This is a standing desk. Let's go.
Don't ruin it.
Subscribe to SpaghettiNoobs. Hey guys, SpaghettiNoob here. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing an UPLIFT standing desk. Before we get into that, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and of course hit that notification bell. With that being said, let's get on to the video. Alright, so in this video, we're going to be quickly going through a quick montage of me unboxing the UPLIFT standing desk. It is a V2 commercial model. It is a 80 by 30 tabletop, although you can customize it as you wish at upliftdesk.com. There are many reasons why I chose UPLIFT Desk. We'll actually go into that in probably the next video or so, and in detail on why I purchased this desk, how I configured it, and then showing you the actual desk. Before that video comes out, and I'll probably also have a full uncut video of me unboxing. If you want to take up this challenge, you can take a look at, assembling it and assembling at the same time as you watch the video, because it's a lot of boxes and a lot of parts, and they're very heavy, and it would have been nice to see a good video of this, and I couldn't really find one. All right, so on UPLIFT's website, just real quick, they have some really quick facts and quick things on why you should, get a standing desk. And I've actually used a standing desk in the office for years, and then they moved us buildings where we got standing desks, but they were manually crank operated. And I would only, move those up and down, sell them because it was more of a pain. But UPLIFT makes it really easy at a push of a button to stand and then go down. And at the same time, one of the reasons why I chose UPLIFT, and again, I'll go on this more into another video, is UPLIFT desks were able to go as extremely low to the floor, 22.6 inches, which is why I really chose UPLIFT, because there was no other brand of desks that went this low. Plus, they had excellent customer service. All right, so on their website, and I'll link this in the description below, they have a little funny thing. I kind of laughed the first time I read it. It said, stand up for your health. They have 8 benefits on why you should get a standing desk. 1, increase your energy. 2, improving your mood. 3, harness joint and muscle movement. 4, boost your productivity. 5, lose weight. 6, improve mental focus. 7, lower your risk of disease. 8, reduce caffeine intake. So some of the reasons why I am choosing a standing desk is to improve my ergonomics. I am really short, so I actually need a lower desk to start than a typical, higher desk. So being short, it limits your options on how you're supposed to ergonomically sit and as well as stand. In doing so, you can reduce your back pain, improve your posture, which is something I think everyone needs to work on, decrease your neck pain. I have multiple monitors, and every time if I stare at one monitor, the opposite side will hurt, kind of like counter steering for when you're learning how to ride a motorcycle, but it's not really counter steering. But anyway, your neck hurts. This will help you reduce your neck pain. And then mostly the one that I experience a lot is reduced arm and wrist strain. I have wrist issues, always had. I went to multiple specialists, and they couldn't really figure it out. They said, oh, your wrist is normal. This looks like early signs of carpal tunnel, maybe arthritis. I shouldn't be seeing that at all. They're just saying, you're overworking your wrist. I know, insert whatever joke you may want here. Being a computer gamer, PC Master Race here, for a really long time with a mouse and keyboard, trying to get your APM up, right? Playing on early games like StarCraft and then the like. From there, working with computers and IT and cybersecurity, I kind of never left computers. And then at the same time, riding a motorcycle when you need, wrist movement, throttle movement. You're always using your wrist and forearms, even if you don't think you are. That attributes a lot of wrist strain. So using a standing desk or even a desk that's lower will greatly improve your ergonomics. So that way you will eliminate your back pain, your neck pain, your wrist pain, even elbow pain, and rest of your arm pain. And then, of course, improve your posture. So I really wanted to cover in this video. Please check the description below for the link. I'll keep you updated if I continue to work with UPLIFT Desk, and I hope I do so with any maybe future promo codes or something that you can use to get your own UPLIFT desk. Even though I don't have that at the moment, I still encourage you to check out UPLIFT Desk. Their customer service is phenomenal, and their desk quality is amazing, and you'll see that in the next video or so. Alright, before we wrap up the video, we have our vlog verse of the day. These verses inspired the video while I was making them or while I was recording them. This week comes out of the same book as the last video, the book of Matthew. Behold the birds of the heaven, that they sow not, neither do they reap, nor gather into barns, and your heavenly Father feedeth them. Are not ye much of more value than they? So let me know what you think about the vlog verse of the day. All right, that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and have a good day.